Welcome to Tiski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. All right, Bafetu, that was the new Kaiser Chiefs kit. Looking beautiful. I like the navy, the blue away kit with the stripes on the chest, bati. It's the Zulu Shield. Siyakumbula. If you've been supporting Kaiser Chiefs from way ago, Begui kit, Begui Abo Shane McGregor. Yeah, it resembles that kit Yabo Shane McGregor. Now, the big news we saw Kaiser Chiefs going to their preseason or leaving for the preseason tour, going to Spain. So yeah, we know that they'll be playing the likes of Rangers. 12th July, they are playing Rangers. They are playing Al Khalud on the 15th of July, and they'll be finishing their Spain tour with a game against Elche on the 18th of July. Now, there is we saw the players going through the airport or mabangena lapha airport mabahamba baya lapha eSpain. Let us have a look at the video and see which players are there and which players are not there. Yeah, Bafethu, that was the video of Kaiser Chiefs players leaving for their preseason tour. La Payana, Spain. So, what do you think? How are they going to do? We saw them going to Netherlands last season. They managed to come away with one victory in that tour. Do you think they're going to? They're playing Rangers. They're playing Al Khalud. They're playing Elche. Can they get a win or two against those teams? The players that were not there, Lilepo was not spotted. So there's been question marks over Lilepo. We do know Uguti is contracted until 2028. So Kaiser Chiefs have a say Uguti whether is he going or are they selling him. But yeah, Lilepo, we saw him. There's a clip that I showed you guys where he was spotted in a Kaiser Chiefs kit, the away kit from last season, La Payana DRC at home, where he was spending his preseason. So there are question marks around Ulilepo. Do you think Kaiser Chiefs can afford to lose Ulilepo? Should they keep him if he wants to? If there's an offer, do you think they should sell him or should they keep him? That is Ulilepo, another player that was not there. Ucele, Thabo Cele, the rumors linking Thabo Cele away with a potential move back to Portugal. Yeah, Thabo Cele, I think he only made about 8 starts last season, played 17 games in total, starting only 8. So, yeah, but unhappy. We saw the emergence of Mabowe, which means Lokuzana, Cele was kept, was reduced to a bench role, coupled with Ama injury. So, yeah, there is. The rumors are that Thabo Cele wants is trying to force a move away from Kaiser Chiefs due to unhappiness, obviously, for that limited playing time. And then also, if, as I've told you guys during the January transfer, Steven Mendes has been promoted. Steven Mendes has been promoted to the first team. He has traveled with the squad to Ilokuzana, to Spain. So hopefully they will get to see him. I hope that the Kaiser Chiefs TV will broadcast the matches like they did last season, La Payana in Netherlands. So hopefully we'll be able to see how Kaiser Chiefs are doing. There are rumors that they played to a 3-3 draw with Amazulu before departing. So yeah, it looks like the first game, friendly game under coach Fernando da Cruz, ended up in a 3-3 draw with Amazulu. And also, Kaiser Chiefs are set to play Ilokus and Kruger United. Kruger United in the first game of the league. Kruger United, they are newbies, and yeah, that should be a 3-pointer for Kaiser Chiefs. Yeah, if you look at their first 3 games, it's tough. The other one is against Skukune, the other one is against Mamelodi Sundowns. So they need to kick off or to start on a winning note. Right, and also, guys, the big news is that Utseho Fatu Mabasa is in the final stages of finalizing the move to Kaiser Chiefs. Kaiser Chiefs on the verge of snapping up Utseho Fatu Mabasa. It is still a rumor, guys. Don't bash me and saying that I'm lying. No, no, no. At this stage, it is a transfer rumor that Tsekofaso Mabasa is finalizing a move to the Kaiser Chiefs. Those are the fixtures, Bafetu, that let me put them on the screen for you. Preseason fixtures, why we Kaiser Chiefs, Jumba by La Payana, Spain. Kaiser Chiefs TV, we hope that they will broadcast the games for us. Congratulations to France for winning, going to the semi-finals, winning that game by a goal to, 2 goals to nil. Bonilou Mbappe, no Dembele, finishing off in Morocco, eliminating the final African team that was left at the World Cup. Yeah, France making their second consecutive final. Congratulations to them, right? Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.